Pre-preparation. 1. Remove old components. 2. Mounting your tire onto the new hub. Recommend replacing the tire at a professional tire shop. Step 2. Install the new wheel hub and lower mounting plate. Attention, disc pad is on the right side of the mini bike. Step 3. Slightly press the handlebar and remove the plastic block. Do not press handlebar until finish installation. Then remove the plastic block from the caliper. Next, we need to expand the gap between two brake pad to create more space. Insert and press caliper on the disc. Press the caliper until the brake pad level with caliper mounting plate. Then we have enough space for mounting. Step 4. First, take all hardware out and prepare tools. 2 small spacers, 2 short bolts and M8 nuts. Upper bracket. 2 long spacers. 2 long bolts. M10 socket or wrench. M5 Allen wrench. Caliper mounting. Mount the hydraulic brake caliper by using long spacers and bolts. Long bolt. Long spacer. Then long bolt. Use 10 mm socket to slightly fix bolts. Next, mount the upper bracket. Using M5 Allen wrench to unlock bracket bolts. And using short bolts, spacers, and M8 nuts to lock the upper bracket. Lock upper bracket clamp with M5 Allen wrench. Then lock all bolt tightly. Step 5. Attach the brake lever to the handlebar. Finally, adjust and secure. Ensure that all components are tightened and aligned correctly. Check that the wheel spins freely, without interference from the brake disc. Test the brakes. After installation, test the brakes thoroughly to ensure proper function before riding. Thanks for watching.